welcome to episode 2 of our Homemaker series. In this episode, we're making elderberry syrup. Elderberries are very powerful berries that have many medicinal properties and have heaps of health benefits. I'm challenging myself weekly to learn a new homemaker skill every week, and this week it is to learn homemade elderberry syrup to add into my medicinal cupboard for this cold and flu season. If this is something you'd like to watch and learn how to make, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content. We have many more videos like this coming. Thanks for watching. To start, you'll need to add in 1.5 cups of filtered water, 50 grams of dried elderberries, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I didn't have any of that on hand, but I did dehydrate some lemons a week earlier, so I used 3 slices of that. Then you'll want to add in 1 stick of cinnamon. I like to use Ceylon cinnamon, aka true cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of whole cloves. Once you've added all that to the saucepan, then you want to place it on the stove to simmer on low for roughly around 35 minutes or until it's reduced by half. Did you know uncooked elderberries and their stems and leaves are very toxic when raw? But once the berries are cooked, it destroys all the harmful toxins, making them safe and powerful for your immune system. Studies also show that elderberry syrup may reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms when taken at the first sign of illness. They are rich in vitamins like vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a natural way to support your immune system, especially during the cold and flu seasons. When mixed with ingredients like cinnamon, clove, lemon, and raw honey, elderberry syrup becomes more than just immune boosting. It's an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it also helps soothe coughs and sore throats. Once it's reduced by half, you want to allow it to cool completely, then strain it into a jug with a fine mesh strainer on top. Once you've placed it in the strainer, you want to use a wooden spoon and mash all those berries to make sure you get all that goodness out of them, as you don't want to leave any of that behind. Once it's completely cool, you want to add in half a cup of raw honey and then mix well. Pour into a sterilized glass bottle and store in the fridge for up to 1 month. When unwell, take 1 to 2 tablespoons every 3 to 4 hours until you feel better. Or you can use it as a preventative and take 1 to 2 tablespoons each day. I'm not a doctor, I'm just a crunchy mum, sharing what we'll be adding into our natural wellness kit. Always do what's best for your family, or if you're unsure, check with a trusted practitioner about any natural remedy that you're about to make or consume. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching episode 2 of our Homemaker series.